Hey, what's up everybody? This is Walt from Raybuck Auto Body Parts, and just a little update on the 67 Chevy pickup build. Not much new from what we were doing before. The garage is a complete disaster. Dust and just junk everywhere. Been working on the rear end. Got all the perches on it were pretty messed up, so got those cut off. And the rear end had real big grooves in it. From the perches being messed up, the rear end was kind of moving in the U-bolts that hold the rear end in. It put big notches in the rear end housing. So welded those over and smoothed everything back down. So now that that is done, our perches fit much better. So I'm going to keep cleaning the rest of this rear end off, get that all cleaned up, painted, and we got some new brake parts. We're going to rebuild these brakes, take them apart, clean them, fix anything that needs fixed. Leaf springs, these are apart, and I think job for today is going to be to get those cleaned up. Got all the new bushings for them, and hopefully pretty soon we'll have this all back together and possibly sitting on the ground soon.